Welcome. In front of me I have GARETT Atom watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. So the power saving mode is useful if you want to save some battery life on your watch. For example, let's say it's about to die and you want it to survive as long as possible. You can turn on the power saving mode. It will save more power and hopefully allow you to keep the battery alive as long as you want. And to enable the power saving mode, you can simply press the middle button to wake up the screen. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And now we can swipe left to go to the second page of the quick panel, because it has two pages. By default, you will see the first one, and then you can swipe left. But if you see the second one, you already should see the battery icon right here. So look for the battery icon on the quick panel. And once you find it, you can tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And what the mode does, it basically disables some functions of the watch. It also lowers the screen brightness to save the battery life on your watch. And if you want to disable the mode, you can simply wake up the screen, open the quick panel, find the battery icon, tap on it of course, and the icon won't be highlighted anymore. The screen will go back to the normal brightness, and some features should be enabled back on, which basically means that the power saving mode is disabled. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.